In order to support UyghurMan in our endeavors to produce the best content, please consider subscribing to our Patreon. For as low as $3 a month, you will have early access to our content, exclusive posts, Patreon-only content, insider looks behind the scenes of UyghurMan, names included in the credits of each episode, and much more for other tiers, although we urge you to at least get Tier 1. For those who are more generous, we have a Tier 2 and Tier 3, which include everything mentioned in Tier 1 and a few more benefits. By subscribing, you will be helping us move towards this as a full-time job, thereby freeing up our time to focus solely on bringing you the best content. You can find our Patreon at patreon.com/UyghurMan. Also, the link can be found in the description below. Thank you.
You're right, man. So, fascism. Now, our last topic today is fascism, right?
Right.
So, it's. I think you're good at it for this topic, so you talk more this time. How about that?
Oh no, I mean it's just fascism is just the stuff that's going on like in India. That's so crazy, you know.
Yo, could you give us like, do you know about what happened? Because I was like whole day, all the time, just only look at the news for what happened Uyghurs. But I saw a lot of news. I know I kind of like it started from the bill from the government, and then the Muslim started the parade, right? And then they started fighting. Now it's like that, and then the people, all the soldiers like really beating the people to die, huh? Is that
right?
Is that's what basically happened, or is there more things, more reason about it? You think?
No, I mean, so basically,
yeah, please.
Basically, like fascism in general, like for the like viewers that might not know, it's like very far right authoritarian, like utilitarianism characterized by dictatorial power. It's just like it's basically very dictators trying to control the people, and they have like an in-group preference, you know. So in India, what happened was they formed a new law that allowed people to get citizenship that were not from the country, but if you are Muslim, you can't get citizenship. You know, specifically. Yeah.
So only Muslims then.
Yes.
So yeah, I know. I mean, to say, oh, everyone can be a citizen, but except Muslim, you guys not.
Except Muslim and Muslim.
So that is the leader. Yeah. That is the leader of a whole country. Like it's like second the biggest. Yeah, I know. Yeah, second biggest population in the whole world. I mean, almost one-fifth population in the world, and that guy with that mind, with that thought, leading those much of peoples, and so he's powerful guys, and he has a lot of armies and all. If he can drive with Hindu, he use so what his power? What his power? He use his religion to. I mean, Chinese communists use the nationalism to drive the people crazy, but what they use?
Yeah, it's the same. They use Hindu in preference. So for mostly is Hindus because that's their far right kind of part of the main religion there. At the same time, these aren't like normal peaceful Hindus. It's like, you know, the crazy part of the
like every yeah, I understand now. Yeah, that's proof again. That's proof about the terrorism, you know.
Right.
I mean, everyone, people say, "Oh, terrorism, Islam terrorism." Now, like because of that, like everyone think like, "Oh, Hindu." Ghana think, Hindu religion is fascism now, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That basically is, yeah. Like what happened to those Crusaders, like saying, oh, if you look at that, it's like Christian is a terrorist things too.
You can say the same thing about.
Yeah, that's only the portion that people all the time. Every nation, every religion, that's basic things. But
right.
But as a president of
The country,
India,
exactly.
of such a big population, if you
That's
you think like that way, that's not normal. That's super scary.
Right.
It's how Xi Jinping. Oh, I shouldn't even call Xi Jinping. You think it's dangerous? I don't care. I think he gonna get coronavirus very soon. I mean, it is a time. It is a time. Not even okay. That's the main purpose of this channel, basically. Just talk a little bit, but I shouldn't. I need to calm down. Yeah, why he's doing that? I mean, what he will get though? Like,
I don't know. I saw who is that? In the chat, Sarah is asking where can I drive still? And yeah, I can still drive. Why can't I be able to drive?
Oh,
in the chat, someone
yeah.
Sarah Helsawar 007.
Not that bad. Not that bad. We are in America. He's in New York. So
Yeah.
Sarah, we still not even like too many people wear masks. That only like one people death case. Like America government USA is doing good on the so far from the results.
So far,
yeah. We don't know. We hope we can do better, but which. Yeah, welcome Sarah. Welcome. Oh yeah, that virus things.
Yeah, I think
she gave a lot of
It's younger people usually. It's older people that I think so far it's usually older people with the health problems that died already.
Oh really? The death rate of for the old people, you mean higher?
Right. Yep.
That what CCP said, but I saw a lot of kids also get crematorium. Yeah, who knows? But I mean, this is a live things. It all depends on your immune system, probably your smart, strong mind system, probably, you know.
Right.
But what do you think about the death rate from the official? We never know the.
I mean, the official numbers say it's 2%, you know, but.
But let me tell you, the Chinese billionaire Blow Whistler.
Yeah.
He just said like 2 days ago. He said more than 1 million Chinese already dead on this because of 49 crematorium working full time in one, like opening the crematorium factory for those, and then like the movable like a small, it can burn like 5 ton of body a day, and then that's
and
so
they're
crazy,
running it 24/7.
Yeah. That's why hold the area, hold the pollution, air pollution. You can see how crazy it is, and so all those ravens like looking for smell flesh. Something, you know. It's like
that's crazy. That's
wow.
crazy.
Yeah,
that's
I know.
Wild.
It is, man.
That's pretty wild.
So I have better ideas, so I can just put this. I can put our like live chat to the screen as well.
Okay.
So. No, I will do it next time, but look at this. This is not good, huh? All right. So that's basically he did and he's doing. Yeah. Do you think he's gonna be gone soon, or like
Xi Jinping?
No, for the Modi things this time, like with our fascism.
Oh man,
Xi Jinping need to just save his life from the virus. That he need to thank God if he can do it. Xi Jinping time's over. You just think it's over. And let's talk about Modi. You said about Modi.
Yeah, Modi, I don't know. Like he's not. He's pretty popular.
No,
You
he
know.
was not
Like,
like that for a long time. I
yeah,
don't know any
yeah.
bad news from him before, but suddenly it's like,
Mhm.
wow, I am the second ching ching
But
ping virus. Like,
it's this whole, I think around the world, like certain kind of, anti-Muslim started forming,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
and this kind of thing, because it's the same thing that's happening kind of in East Turkestan,
Oh
that they
yeah.
bring a list and they say, oh, if you pray 5 times a day, we're gonna put you in re-education camp because you have extremist belief. Like if you pray, then you have extremist belief. Like, does that make any sense?
Of course, right? That, but these things he can use this thought, this methodology, like lie and cheat on the world, and then oh yeah, this guy prays, so he's
So,
extremism. Oh, did you
so
see? They just do some like some bombing shit by themselves in the Kunming in Beijing. Definitely they did by themselves. Everything we know about it, and then he said. He said, "Oh, Uyghur did this. He's stepping each other, and then he says you want to go heaven. What kind of, what? I know Uyghur more than you, and you're talking about 17 years old daughter and stabbing some people want to go heaven. Because the world is like don't know anything about us, so they
yeah,
believe. Oh yeah, yeah, and then because the background of Islam is what's going on. You know more than me
then
too.
everyone just believe. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and then that's sad its part. That's why UyghurMan channel is right here. UyghurMan is not like the people need re-education camp or something like that.
Right.
The people in the re-education camp, a lot of portion probably have no like couple that different language. There's an ally, or the professor in the school, the doctor, PhD like that. Re-education camp.
Re-education
Yeah,
camp.
that's how is it. By the lies, this con is funded for the like beginning from the lie. For the cover one lie, you need to keep a lot of lies,
Right.
and then
That's true.
yeah,
That's true. That's true.
cover the lie by lie, and then now internet time. You cannot lie anymore. There's a lot of
share it.
leaked video.
Right. People share the truth now.
Yes.
You know? That's
And
true.
just this belief of this channel is that I wish we can do that something for that world,
Right. Right.
Yeah, man. I think we really had a good talk today, and
Yeah, that was
I think
fun.
we need to do this more. We need to do this more. Based on the comments, if people think, oh, it's a good talk, a good video, we should do it
Right.
more, and we keep improve our
Right.
things. And I wish we
That's
can
fun.
get more people and like and share.
Yeah, I think people enjoy and have fun. Like
Yes,
us, we're having fun.
because I really need people's support right now. At the end, I want to say, as a Uyghur man, all my relatives still in East Turkestan,
Right.
and we need you guys to support. We need you guys to monitoring my parents together with me. I want
Right.
you guys see, like how is my parents, instead of like only myself know about this Mahmoud, Yusuf, Khalida, Mehmet, like my parents' name. Otherwise, if no one know my parents over there, I'm scared to think what's gonna happen to them. If China
Right.
keep going like this.
This
Like,
direction.
yeah,
This is
like
bad.
they going this direction is wrong direction, and they going like rocket speed, like this Superman, like yeah. Yeah, I want like you can't go. Some people do it. Some people bad guys that they do like slowly. Oh yeah, we heard he is bad, but they want to be the worst. I'm the worst. No one can beat me on this. They kind of wanted that. So no matter I talk or no matter I talk or not, I think
You gotta
tomorrow
go down.
no one know what happened tomorrow. And then.
Yeah.
We should just live today, enjoy do
Right.
the right things at today, at this moment. So
Right.
That's why I started, and I like guys like you, and keep sharing always on my channel, you know.
Of course.
Yeah, yeah, and please also attract more of your justice believers friend to our channel, to our group, you know.
Of course.
Let the more people know what's going on is most important for us.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And
call it all justice.
We were complaining for 70 years, you know. Wow, Chinese do that. But China used their lie, like covered everything very nice. And as long as someone comes speak out just to wipe them out, like, push them down, you know. Evidence, no. Yeah. Now everyone starts speaking out. They don't care about Chinese communists anymore. That's good.
Right.
We need to fight for ourselves, you know. I want to see myself in East Turkestan one day with my relatives again, you know. What's wrong with that? Is that something wrong thought or not? I just want to get that, but it is super hard, and if I don't speak, I don't think it will like automatically come for me that day, you know.
Right.
So that's why I'm doing this, and I'm also getting some type of threat like that all the time. But I need you guys' support for prevent that and to avoid that. As long as we are strong, we have a lot of members, and I'll become more stronger on this, and we'll expose more things, more injustice in the world, like this Modi, another coronavirus, you know.
Yeah.
19 COVID. should not be like that, but let's talk.
COVID-19.
Yeah, don't piss off like so many people. Yeah, don't piss them off, you know. We need us, but it's justice. What is wrong, what is right? That's what we need to talk, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah. Exactly. No matter what is your religion or what is your, even some like Muslim religion, if like Iran, it just locks them people, their own people in their own country, like that, and then if they're doing crazy thing, we have to talk to everyone. Yeah, that's what's the channel for.
That's what justice means.
Yeah, justice means. That's why. Let's keep talk, and we'll make it better and better.
All right, I'm down.
Down. Thank you, man. Thank you, and next time, and let's finish today's live stream, and then I will see you guys next time. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you.
Right.
Bye bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Bye.